What's going on, guys? Where does such massive vaping cloud come from? Yeah, it comes from a new powerful vape mode by Eleaf, the iKonn 220 with the Ello tank. Wow, totally 6 fashionable colors available for your choice. Which one will be yours? For me, I'd pick the gold red one. The iconic leaf design, leaf-shaped button, leaf-shaped vents, and leaf-shaped carbon fiber finish make the iKonn 220 very stylish and modern. Just as its name implies, the iKonn 220 is capable of outputting a maximum power of 220 watts when powered by two 18650 batteries. The big 0.91-inch screen offers a concise and clear interface that tells the level of each battery respectively, allowing you to know which one needs to be charged or replaced. That's really an intelligent feature. And the balancing trickle charge system with 2 amp charge current allows your batteries to be fully charged much more quickly and securely. Wanna know your total vaping puffs or seconds? Not a problem. Simply keep holding the fire button and plus button till the current interface flashes, and then press plus or minus button to switch among amp interface, puff interface, and second interface. Just choose an interface you are most accustomed to. Can the puffs or seconds be reset? Of course! When the puff or second interface flashes, just keep holding the plus and minus buttons simultaneously till the puffs or seconds are reset to 0. Then, how comes such a huge vaping cloud? Surely because of the coils that come with the Ello. The pre-installed is HW3. It can handle a maximum power of 130 watts. And the other, HW4, can handle 110 watts. Both are for cloud chasing. Alright, let's take the HW3 to have a try. First, drip a few drops of e-liquid into the coil to make it fully saturated. Screw the top cap with glass tube on. Filling is quite easy and fast. Simply slide the drip tip back in the direction of the arrow and fill e-liquid into tank through the fill pot. The tank can hold 4 ml e-liquid. The airflow can easily be adjusted by turning the control ring. And another wide ball drip tip is included for obtaining larger airflow. To compliant with TPD regulations, 2 ml version Ello is also provided for your option. Just put the primed Ello onto the iKonn 220 and adjust the settings. Where's the fire button? Ah, it's hidden here. Now, let's enjoy the vaping.